this video, I will be showing you how to create and install Boot Camp on an Intel-based Mac using a USB flash drive with Apple's Boot Camp Assistant. Open a browser and search for Download Windows 10 or Windows 11 if your Mac supports it. Select the edition as shown. Next, select your language. Select the 64-bit download. When prompted, allow the pop-up. Wait for the download to finish. While you wait, plug a USB flash drive into your computer with at least 8 GB of storage. Open Launchpad and search for Boot Camp. Open it. Click Continue. Make sure all boxes are ticked. Next, it should automatically detect the file we downloaded, but if it does not, navigate to your Downloads folder or wherever you saved the file and double-click to select it. Click Continue and enter your password when prompted. Please wait for the process to complete. This may take some time. Next, we choose how to set up our hard drive partitioning. Please make sure you have saved any work, as your computer will automatically restart once the partitioning process is complete. Here, you can decide how much space to allocate to Windows and how much to keep for macOS. However, if you intend to wipe your hard drive and only install Windows, simply click Install. We will configure it later. Hey, if you've been enjoying the video so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. When the boot screen appears, select the volume titled EFI or Windows using the arrow keys and the Enter key. Click Continue. Here, you can enter a Windows product key if you have one. Otherwise, select I don't have a product key. Click Next. Accept the terms, then click Next. Now, if you wish to keep macOS alongside Windows, select the partition labeled Boot Camp. Click Next. If you wish to completely wipe your drive and install Windows only, please follow these steps as shown. Remember, doing this will wipe all your data. Click Next. Your computer will restart a few times. Next, go through and set up Windows as you like. When you are asked to connect to the internet, if you rely on Wi-Fi, it is very likely that the correct drivers have not loaded yet. In this case, select I don't have internet and continue with the offline setup until you reach the desktop. A pop-up should appear on screen to install the correct Boot Camp drivers. Go through and install them. Click Yes. The computer will restart. At this stage, you can connect your computer to Wi-Fi. Open Settings and go to Updates. Click View Optional Updates, expand any sections, then select all available updates and click Download and Install. Now close Settings and restart your computer. Your computer is now fully set up and ready to use with Windows. Thanks for watching.